Yeah, I would say it's good, more challenging in the fact that a lot of companies do not understand fully how to maneuver the regulations globally, right? For example, regulations that happen in US is different from what happens in UK. It's different from what happens in Europe. It's different from what the APAC region also has to offer, right? So just companies having to maneuver this, especially companies that have to do cross-border transactions. Right? So now you have to make sure you're complying with regulations in this country, in this country, in this country, in this country, right? And then there's not a lot of AML solutions that can actually just help you customize your solutions and make sure you're compliant to the regulations across all of these regions. Right? So that's been a major challenge. We've definitely seen across a lot of financial institutions so far, especially in terms of AML compliance and risk management, of course, also. I'll say the way we apply AI is in terms of we always think of making the life of our customers easier, right? And the way we think about it is it's supposed to help you make your job faster, make your job easier, make your job more interesting to do, right? So now it doesn't make any decisioning for you, right? So what it does is it's able to go through a lot of cases, a lot of alerts for you, able to do investigations for you, able to suppress a lot of false positives for you. But the final decision is still yours to make, right? So it's basically doing that internship work that takes a lot of time for you to just investigate and go through a lot of cases, a lot of information, right? And then the AI is able to do that for you. And based off of that, it's going to give you recommended actions to take. It's going to give you significant observations, and you have to make the final say on it, right? And there are a lot of other solutions we have. For example, you're able to sort of also file your suspicious activity reports automatically, right? And these are a lot of things the AI functionalities we have can help with. I would say, for example, screening alerts, right? There's a lot of false positives across the industry, especially for bigger organizations. The small organizations might not entirely feel it because they do not have that many alerts daily in their system. But imagine a bank, right? These guys have about 10 million transactions a day, right? And based off of these transactions, it's generating probably around 1 million alerts in a day, right? And those 1 million alerts, half of them are probably false positives. Right now, imagine they only have about 100 analysts to go through 1 million alerts per day, every single day, but a lot of them are false positive, right? And you have to take enough time to investigate each of them. So that's why we have a solution called AI forensics for screening, right? And it just helps them suppress a lot of those false positives, and they actually focus on the actual true positive alerts for them.